I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by Citadel 21, the Bitcoiner magazine that you need a subscription to, written for plebs, by plebs, with a ton of eclectic Bitcoiner stuff. Each issue only has 1,000 prints, so if you want to be this happy, go grab yourself a subscription today at citadel21.com.
ClownWorld has me bullish. The memes that come out of ClownWorld have me so bullish because it's just like it's just writing itself. Like some headlines, you see it and it's just like this meme instantly pops up. So for example, like yesterday, poor Elon and Tesla getting kicked out of the ESG rating basket on, you know, the scam market there on Wall Street. Like it's like, what? Okay, well, here's the meme. Like Tesla's not ESG friendly anymore, but Lockheed Martin and Raytheon are, because, you know, the US military is going to go all green and net neutral. And it's just stuff like this that is, you can bring it to the people in your life, the normies and stuff like that, and just be like, look at the hypocrisy. Like, how silly is this clown world? So like Justin Trudeau, like when we had the whole trucker protest there in January, how he all of a sudden like was a close exposure to COVID and had to go into hiding. It's like, oh, look, here we go. Trudeau, hide and seek champion of, January 2020. And it's just, it boils down, you know, sort of ideas, hypocrisy, you know, whatever message down into a very simple format, you know, picture and a few words. So that the other thing, and like earlier this year when Germany, like after they shut down all their nuclear reactors, and then the EU in February was like, oh, nuclear is considered green energy now. It's like, what is going on in clown world? Like, you guys, thank you for all the great like memeing.